Hello guys, in this short and basic video today I will show you how to remove the outline of a text box in Word. So guys, if you are using any version of Microsoft Office, you can apply this setting and almost it will work in all version of Microsoft. If you have text box like this and you want to remove outline like this, so simple, select your text box and enter your text here and make size, change color and what we need here. When drag and drop this text box, you can keep anywhere in your document. Now to remove this outline, select it and double click on this corner border. There is the option shape outline. Click on this drop down and select no outline. Now click anywhere. That's it. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not.